on our way to a supercar meet. Oh, this is the car meet I went to last time. Woo! Woo! Yeah, they got some lit shit here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there's so many cars here. We out here, man. Woo! Woo! I see, man. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. We up here at this car meet, so we're about to go look at some supercars. Danny P's car meet, man. Oh, let's go this one. Let's do this, man. Woo, woo. We got some nice shit. You seen that McLaren? That shit. Oh, damn. GTR. I want to see my bro here if he here. That'd be dope. Shelby right there. Fuck. Look at that Shelby right there. Shelby. Damn. They got hella shit, bro. Oh, that would have been dope. We brought the Tesla. Oh, yeah. That's right there. That shit dope. And he was at the last car meet with the PQs.
Yo, this Miata? Shit, bud.
Is that a Miata? That's $50,000.
Yeah, it's a Miata.
Oh, you mean Monster?
Yeah.
That is? That's the cleanest Miata I've ever seen in my life. God damn, that shit clean. Oh, that's dope. That's dope. That shit clean. It's like a nice, perfect. Damn. Oh, because they got a hard top too. That shit clean. Oh, that McLaren right there, bro. Let's see. Carbon interior. Shit. The Rory.
They just got picked up in this exact same car. Somebody, I don't know who picked them up, like a rich uncle.
That shit dope. Oh, that's the one we see on the freeway.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the rap.
Yeah, I was trying to park right here. Oh, dude. I was trying to park this one.
That shit's lit.
Yeah, see the car, like the car was like on the other side. No, bro, that was
that shit nice.
So his car like came here to me, like came here for me to leave, you know. Oh, bro.
Hey, what's up, bro? How you doing? Good?
Right here, bro.
Oh, there goes the homie right there. Hey, how you doing, bro? How you doing today?
That's alright.
Ooh, oh, you ready? Okay. Oh yeah. His already, you already know that.
Oh yeah, nice to meet you. I'm his little brother.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
It's good seeing you. What time you get here?
Right about 8.
Oh, right. Okay. Jesus. Oh, man. Go follow the homie. That's the bro right there. Go follow him right now.
Shout out your channel.
Hey, Richie. Bro, my Lexus, damn it.
Look at that food.
Fuck.
Oh my god. Look at that food.
I should have brought my Lexus. I would have been fitted, kind of. Well, yeah, I'm doing it.
No, you fine. How you doing?
Man, my shit about to be out.
Look at the food, though. Oh my god. Look at this carpet.
Oh, that's nice. Bro, the last time we came here, that when I entered the head turners, bro, this car meet was so packed. Yeah, bro. Look at this Tesla. Mine needed on bags.
Oh my god.
Tesla on bags.
This is the first model Tesla I've ever seen.
Yeah, the Model S, that shit is clean.
My license.
Damn. Look at the reflection on my camera. That shit is insane, bro. Damn. Is my shit louder than that?
Yeah. Well, actually, no.
It's competitive.
Yeah. No. That's your homie.
Yeah, that's
It's not
here.
louder than that.
See how his rear diffuser is? I want to do the cut. I want to cut that thing off for mine. That shit dope. That's one of my friends. Look at that homie shit right there. Yeah, buddy. This the bro car right here. Shit. Bro, his wing, everything on his car Bro, everything on this car is custom. Everything, the whole interior. He got the interior taken out and redid the whole interior. It's crazy, bro. Then that wing, only one in the world. It's not no other wing. Yep. Custom. This is custom, bro. The whole thing is custom, bro. Nobody got this. Oh, they go Mars. Remember Mars when it was the GTR?
He was on YouTube. Right?
Remember we met him a long time ago.
We met him.
Mars. Remember he had the GTR before a long time ago?
Oh.
When I had my Mustang.
Oh, shit.
That's the homie.
Oh, yeah. We met him at the
Yeah, he was cool.
right?
Yeah. No. A long time ago. He was in Fremont. Remember when I was with John?
I think like before, like around August, I was getting a lot of people, but now it's like I'm putting stuff like.
Bro, what about you?
Is this part of it?
No, it's not here. I think it's not coming over to the base of this weekend. Like, be sure. He don't even have the hood. Parker got the hood and it's carbon fiber. I'm thinking about doing this purple, bro.
Let me record the inside.
Should I do it purple?
Yes.
I was thinking about my car, do like 3 different purples.
What would you put up?
Everywhere. The whole car gonna be covered.
So, like, you would wrap it the same way you wrapped it last time?
But it's not like that, but better. Way better. I'm never impressed by the Camaro Corvette. Yes.
I'm getting a fanboy. I like that. Oh my God. Damn, you're a fanboy, bro. Oh, yeah, DR1. What the fuck? Alright, never seen this in person.
That shit dope.
I've never seen this in person, bro.
That purple, bro? I'm thinking about doing that purple.
I ain't gonna lie, no cap.
Nigga, that nigga is killing the game. Bruh, his McLaren killed it, bro. Killing the game, bro. Boo!
We got a 5-star!
Hey!
We got a 5-star! We got a 5-star! Bruh!
Oh shit!
Oh, shit!
I'm out of here!
5-star!
Oh shit! Hey! Alright, my black ass out of here. My bad. Hey! Oh shit, Rich. We gotta go. Damn. Damn. Bruh. Damn. We gotta go. Car meet is over. We ain't good. Oh my God. Nigga. We gotta go. car meet. Oh my gosh, the biggest car meet of the year shut down by the cops. Oh my gosh. Hey, we got kicked out, man. God damn, the cops are here. A million fucking cops came out of nowhere, bruh. Oh my God, insane. Woo, woo. 8 in front of us, boy, it is litty out here. Oh my gosh. Woo, woo. People recording, bruh. We got shut down by the fucking government, man. This is insane. Look at this lineup, bruh. Woo-wee. Damn, man. This shit is insane, intense.